Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back sa second portion po ng ating programang Aksyon Central Luzon Special Edition. Ang guest po natin si Attorney Temi Lambino ng COMELEC, no? Ang ating pong supervisor for the province of Pampanga. And we're so glad that we have him here. Alam niyo ho, mga reporters, open po yung opisina niya, natatawagan po siya, no? At sumasagot po talaga kahit anong tanong. Minsan, controversial issues, sinasagot po ni Attorney Lambino, no? At ngayon, we're going towards the automation, no, ng pagboboto.
Okay.
This is the first time ever in the Philippines.
Yes.
Meron bang ibang areas na nag-pilot na dito?
The first time sa nationwide, first time natin sa May 2010, this would be the first time automated election nationwide. But may mga areas tayo, last 2008, meron tayong ARM election.
Yes.
And automated, automation ang system natin doon, automated system. So nasubukan na natin yung automated system, and if you read the papers, walang mga election protest.
Yes.
Talagang may natalo doon. That was, I think, the first time na may natalo sa election dito sa Pilipinas.
Okay. Kasi walang natatalo dito sa atin.
Walang natatalo dito.
Okay. Ito. Bibilis ba ang pagboto ngayon o babagal? Because yung iba, maraming matatanda sa atin, takot sa mga makina, takot sa mga computers. How will you be able to handle this?
Information drive lang ang laban dyan eh. Because if the people are informed about how this election or how this automation would work, or how this machine would work, hindi sila matatakot. These are friendly machines na wala ka namang pipindutin doon eh. Hindi ka tulad ng ATM na marami kang pinipindot. May pin ka. Pero doon sa, yung mga botante natin, walang gagawin yan kundi isusubo yung official ballot nila doon sa machine. At yung machine, pag pinatong mo lang na gano'n, kukunin niya kaagad yung official ballot.
Mag-ano lang sila?
Mag-shade lang sila.
Mag-shade sila, okay.
Mag-shade sila at ipapatong lang doon sa mouth nung PCOS. We call that PCOS, the machine. PCOS stands for Precinct Count Optical Scanner.
Okay.
Kaya ang short one is PCOS. Pag nilagay mo yung PCOS, pag sinubo mo yan, baliktad man o paharap, basta nandoon sa...
Magre-register yan, basta meron na...
Kakainin niya, babasahin niya.
Babasahin niya.
So you don't have to push any button in the machine. Just shade the official ballot and then isubo mo sa machine smoothly.
Okay.
The machine would count.
Lahat ng botohan. Nasa isang classroom ako, may machine yan?
Yes, lahat ng clustered precincts.
Okay.
Bawat presinto, meron tayong isang
What do you mean by
machine.
clustered precinct?
Yung clustered precincts natin, yung sinasabing, dito medyo tatagal yung boto dahil...
Paghahanap ng pangalan?
No. Clustered precincts meaning to say, pinaggrupo-grupo natin yung mga presinto.
Okay.
Noon, ang mga clustered natin, mga 2 precincts lang. Ngayon, 5 yung clustered precincts natin, but not more than 1,000 voters. Not more than 5 presinto ang kakluster natin pag gugrupuhin natin yan. So, example, may 1,000 voters tayo, may 5 may presinto, ka-cluster natin yon. So, sa isang presinto, maging 1 precinct yon na may 1 PCOS or yung machine. So, 1,000 ang boboto doon sa isang clustered precinct na yon.
What if there's a breakdown in that machine that you're talking about?
Yes, that would be yung mga plan B, plan C natin. So, punta muna tayo doon sa machine.
Yung machine.
Cool ka lang, tol.
Okay. Kasi,
ang una-una gusto kong, before I'll forget this, the first message that I will be bringing to the people that I wanted them to know is yung no overvote. No overvoting.
Okay.
Pag sinabi mong no overvoting, sa isang contest, dapat hindi ka sobra doon sa iboboto mo. Example, sa senatorial balls, sa contest ng Senate seats, we have only 12. Diba? 12 seats lang yan. So pag binoto mo is 13, may invalidate lahat nung 13 na yon. Yes, 13. Yung 13. Kasi yung old system
natin... So mas magandang kulang kaysa sa sobra?
Yes. Kasi yung old system natin, pag 13 yan, ibibilang mo lang yung 1 to 12. Pwede mong alisin yung pang 13. Pero dito sa automated system, dapat no overvoting yan. Pag lumampas ka doon, hindi babasahin ng machine.
For the senatorial?
For that particular contest only. Example, sa president, tama naman yung number of elected candidate mo doon, okay lang yun, kakount pa rin. Not the whole ballots.
So sa provincial board, ganun din yan? Pag sumobra, kunwari,
yes,
kunwari, 3 lang palang kailangan sa isang distrito, 4 ang nasulat mo, problema na naman yan.
Yes.
Kasi lahat ng mga kandidato, basta nag-file sila ng Certificate of Candidacy, nandun sila sa balota, di ba?
Yes, nandun yung name nila. Isi-shade mo lang yun, may corresponding oval doon sa katapat ng pangalan nila, isi-shade mo lang yun.
Isi-shade mo lang, okay. So, over, yun yung sumusobrang dati, sabi nga ni Atty. Lambino, nangyayari ho yan. Ngayon po, hindi na pwede yan. Masasayang ho yung boto natin sa mga senador kung sumobra ho sa 12 yung iboboto natin.
Ang sinasabi nilang problema dyan is that yung mga botante natin, hindi nila alam yan. Kaya maraming madidisenfranchise, maraming... Pero hindi eh. It's only a matter of educating the people what is the effect of overvoting. Kasi kung alam mo naman yan, hindi mo naman gagawin eh.
Tama. Kaya ngayon, ini-start na. Kaya
Yes, so we are starting this information.
Ni-stop ako ni Atty. Lambino, meron akong gustong tanong eh. Kasi napakahalaga po nun, baka yung iba manggugulo dahil na sabihin nila na-disenfranchise sila. No? So that information is vital and I hope you record it and you remember it because talagang ganun ho ang kalakaran ngayon. So, ang haba raw ng balota.
Oo, medyo mahaba dahil lahat ng mga contest nandun eh.
Nandun lahat.
Siyempre.
Starting from the president.
Down to the councilor.
Councilor,
Municipal councilor.
Yung iba, gaya po ng Pampanga, no? Mas mahaba po yan dahil meron po silang board members, tapos meron pa silang mga council sa munisipyo. Pero dito po sa Angeles, wala tayong board members. Pero hindi sila magre-reflect doon sa balota.
Hindi, wala sila doon. Ang bawat munisipyo at bawat city may kanya-kanyang official ballots yan. That's why the official ballot of San Fernando, you cannot use that in Angeles City because they have separate na list yan ng candidates eh. Kaya maaga yung pag-file ng certificate of candidacy.
And is that the reason why hindi nyo na pwedeng yung extend nga yung registration? There is a clamor sa COMELEC na ihaba nga yung registration period.
Yes.
Hindi na kayo pumayag. The hours na lang. The remaining hours
na lang. At saka kaya maaga ngayon yung filing of certificate of candidacy. Gagastos mga politiko natin ngayon. Kaya lang...
Pasko. Bago Pasko.
Bago Pasko noon, March eh. Ngayon, November 20 to 30 ang pag-file ng certificate of candidacy natin dahil in preparation for the printing of their names in these official ballots.
So, you do not expect any problem na baka yung ibang mga malalayong munisipyo o probinsya hindi magkaroon ng mga wala silang balota sa how do you count the ballots? How many do you prepare? Kunwari dito sa Angeles kunwari 200,000 yung mga balota ay yung botante. Ilang balota yung papaprint natin?
Eksakto.
Yes. Hindi pwedeng sumobra. Kasi we always assume na hindi naman yung turnout, no?
Yes, the turnout last 2007 for the province of Pampanga is 69% only. Pero hindi yun ang
That's not a basis.
Hindi yun yung reason. Kung ilan lang yung botante, yun lang dapat ang bilang.
Hanggang doon lang. Hindi pwedeng magpasobra kasi sabi nila. Pero ngayon ang hirap pa na magpalipat-lipat ng mga ballots because specific areas with their specific ballots. Tailored yan para sa lugar.
Saka yung machine, alam niya kung ano yung tunay at saka yung peke.
Okay.
So yung pag sinubuhan mo yan ng peke, ipupunta niya doon sa slot ng peke.
Ay, yan.
Yes, mayroong compartments yan for the valid ballots and the invalid ballots. So pag peke yung nilagay mo dyan, pupunta niya sa invalid ballots.
So how long will the counting last with this machines available?
Actually, the voting would start on 7 o'clock in the morning.
Pag nag-register na yun,
the last hour would be 6 o'clock in the evening. No? After example, 6 o'clock, wala nang boboto, i-close yan ng chairman ng Board of Election Inspectors, magka-count na yan. Automatic na yung ka-count yan. Tapos, within 2 minutes, magta-transmit in less than 2 minutes, transmit ng isang presinto yung result niya sa Municipal Board of Canvassers or City Board of Canvassers.
So mabilis, ha?
Mabilis lang
mabilis ang bilangan ngayon. Even in Mindanao.
Yes, pare-pareho yan. So in 2 hours, you have already your complete local government newly elected
So yung mga
leaders.
networks, alam na kagad.
Yes, kasi yung transmittal, hindi lang pupunta yan sa Municipal or City Board of Canvassers Pupunta yan sa dominant minority party server.
Yes.
Pupunta yan sa dominant majority party server. Pupunta yan sa COMELEC Central Office server. So hindi mo madadaya yan yung transfer. At saka yung sinasabi nilang ma-hack yung system. The system has a encrypted encryption of 128.
Yun ang worry nila. Baka ma-hack daw.
128 bit yan. So ang number ng combinations na dapat mong na dapat makuha ng
gusto mag-hack.
Ng hacker is 340 undecillion. Meaning to say 39 zeros yun 39 digits. So 39 digits, you can hack it. Actually, you can hack it within 3 months Yung isang PCOS kasi bawat PCOS, iba-ibang encryption yan eh. So yung isang PCOS, makahack mo ng 3 months.
Naku.
Pero ang problema, yung PCOS mag-i-stay lang ng less than 2 minutes sa net eh.
Oo.
So, hindi mo na mahahack yun.
So, yung
2 minutes
resulta
lang siya.
dyan?
We're using actually, I will interrupt you, I'm sorry. We're using yung ginagamit ng bangko na encryption.
Okay.
Diba, pag nag-transmit sila ng pera, may nahahack ba, wala nahahack, yun ang ginagamit natin, encryption.
Okay. So, talagang
So when it comes to what that is one only,
secured ang system
that is
nito.
one of the basic security feature of the PCOS.
Okay. No, so yung inisip lang kahit yung mga geniuses, hindi nila kayang to, laruin.
Kaya hindi nasa 3 months ka, pero wala na yung PCOS
isang
doon.
PCOS
Oo,
na-
nag-serve na yung
Hindi, inuulit
inahat
ko lang
nila.
kasi marunong isip ng ating mga kababayan.
But
Dito
in
ba?
that period of time na magta-transmit siya in less than 2 minutes, wala kang makukuha doon.
So sa inyong, kunwari, meron kayong website sa Comelec,
Yes.
yung bilangan lumalabas na rin dyan.
Yes po,
Yung
meron
resulta.
yun. Pumupunta doon.
Per province or
Pupunta.
per municipality.
So yung dominant political party, alam niya kung anong result.
Oh, sila. Okay. So if there's a problem, they can immediately. Paano na naman ngayon yung filing o protest? Alam mo naman tayo, kung nalaman nila natatalo sila, manggugulo na yan. Di ba?
Well, they can always file their protest,
Oh,
election protest. Open naman yan eh. Within 10 days from the proclamation of the winning candidates, they can file their protest. Whatever the reason, siguro ma-fake ang sabihin niya, they must substantiate the reason. But that would be another case.
Pero ang
already.
sinasabi mo, even the machine is so smart na
identify.
iluluwa niya yung ano, yung
Ipupunta niya doon sa, hindi niya actually luluwa, ipupunta niya doon sa,
invalid.
doon sa compartment for invalid
O yung
votes.
tinanong ko kanina, kung may breakdown, paano yan?
Yes, yung mga plans, mga contingency plans natin. Just in case na yung sa isang presinto nag-breakdown yung isang machine, we can get another machine. Kasi kaya may extra eh. Kaya may extra machines tayo. So we can replace the machine with another machine, of course, with all the security feature, with the watchers and the members of the Board of Election Inspectors and candidates. Nandun dapat titignan nila na wala talagang daya na ginamit.
Okay,
But just in case, all these machines failed, meron din tayong plan na, meron din
Manual.
contingency plan na manual, of course. But of course, that is a possibility,
But remote.
but a remote one. But mas maganda yung super prepared ka
Oo.
doon
Kesa sa wala kang preparasyon.
prepared ka pa bago
So may BNC plan pa.
pwedeng magpayong pagbubulan na.
Eh, yung mga, di ba dati merong mga pumapasok na mga bandang Mindanao, nang aagaw ng mga ng mga balota. Ngayon, makinang aagawan nila ngayon pag natatalo sila. Paano yun?
That is why that would be an issue that would be best answered by, that can be best answered by the PNP and other police security authorities natin.
Okay, nako, mukhang very exciting ito pong halalan na ito, mga kaibigan, no? But let me ask you this, Attorney. Are all the municipalities nationwide covered by this automation?
Yes,
100%,
yes, 100% nationwide talagang covered ng automation. A lot of questions that you cannot automate the entire nation because a lot of places, yung mga far-flung places, they have no electricity,
Yes.
they have no network. But the PCOS has this battery inside battery. Built-in battery, which would last,
Kahit walang power, no?
which would last more than the period of time that you would need for the start of the election and the transmittal of the election. And also,
And I'm sure meron din backup yan, di ba?
wala namang problema dyan sa remote areas eh. Yung walang power,
Oh.
so wala tayong problema doon. There is a built-in battery which would last the duration of the election and the counting. Second is yung walang network, walang signal. That is not a problem because we have a portable na satellite na gagamitin sa PCOS para mag-transmit yan. So, that's the one used in Brazil, kahit na mga remote areas.
Mas maraming remote areas doon.
They use this portable satellite to transmit and it would only be used, sabi ko kanina, less than 2 minutes lang.
And the provider was able to
Yes.
prepare for this.
Yes, that is why we're saying that there is no problem. We'll have a nationwide automation because the two major problems of the possible non-automation of this process are solved already.
Okay, napakaganda po ng nalalaman po natin mula po kay Attorney Temi Lambino, ang ating pong supervisor for the province of Pampanga, no? We'll have more questions because we have to have a break. Alam niyo, nagkukulang po yung 15 minutes namin every dahil po ang dami yung pwedeng malaman po mula po kay Attorney Temi Lambino, no? So yung sa susunod, si Aling Baby naman ang tatanong ko, no? Si Aling Baby kung anong mangyayari tsaka kay Among Ed. Dahil lang bali-balita ko, lumabas na ito sa dyaryo, meron naka-advance daw na information na natalo raw si Among Ed sa bilangan, no? Yung recount. Dahil pa tatanungin natin kung ano yung mga binilang na hindi binilang dati. Okay? Pwede ba yan? Yung waring nanay, hindi na bilang daw dati yon. Some areas, meron complaints.
You can ask me, Sunny.
Oh.
Anything under the sun and I would answer.
Okay. Pagkatapos ng break, babalik po kami mga kaibigan.